Breathtaking Lagoon, the ultimate travel myth-busting adventure once upon a time. Long before airplanes had reclining seats that barely recline, and cruise ships had water slides, humans were just figuring out how to travel beyond their backyard. The earliest forms of travel involved walking lots and lots of walking. And if you were fancy, you had a horse, a camel, or a rickety wooden cart that would break down every few miles. Ancient Romans, always ahead of their time, built roads that connected faraway places. And the Silk Road became the ultimate travel influencer, bringing silk, spices, and exotic stories across continents. Fast forward a few centuries, and we got steam engines, then cars, then airplanes, and then boom, budget airlines, where your seat feels like it belongs in a kindergarten classroom. Today, with the click of a button, travelers can book flights, hotels, and rental cars from the comfort of their couch, which is where Breathtaking Lagoon comes in. The magic of Breathtaking Lagoon isn't just any travel advisor. Oh no! They are the wizards behind your travel decisions, helping you compare flights, hotels, car rentals, airport taxis, trains, and more. They don't sell travel directly, but they connect you with trusted affiliate partners so you can snag the best deals. Their mission? To make sure travelers don't spend hours on endless searches, trying to figure out if they really found the cheapest flight, or if they just fell into an internet wormhole. And now, let's talk about some of the biggest myths in travel, because let's be honest, we've all fallen for at least one of these. Travel myths busted. Booking on a Tuesday guarantees the cheapest flight. False. While airlines do adjust prices based on demand, there's no universal cheap day. The real trick is using comparison sites Breathtaking Lagoon, and booking at least 6-8 weeks in advance for the best deals. Rolling your clothes instead of folding saves space. Kind of true, but also depends on what you're packing. Rolling works great for soft clothes, but for structured clothing like blazers just don't. Unless you enjoy looking like a crumpled napkin. You can get kicked off a plane for reclining your seat. False, but it might start a passive-aggressive war between you and the person behind you. Spoiler, they will win if they have long legs. All-inclusive resorts are always the best deal. Not necessarily. If you don't drink much, and don't plan on eating 24/7, paying for food and activities separately might save you money. But if your goal is to consume your body weight in buffet food, go for it. Jet lag is just in your head. Ha! If only. Jet lag is very real. And it happens because your body's internal clock gets thrown off when you change time zones. No amount of coffee can change that, but it sure helps. A future of effortless travel. Breathtaking Lagoon is here to take the stress out of trip planning. Whether you want to fly across the world, or just take a weekend getaway, they make sure you're getting the best deals without having to open 500 browser tabs. So, next time you're planning a trip, remember, the myths are fun, but the facts. And Breathtaking Lagoon will make your journey smooth, stress-free, and maybe even legendary. Happy travels!